Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline and this is Low Carblish. If you're new here, this is the channel where we take our favorite high carb foods and turn them into low carb versions of that. We do that to control our type 2 diabetes and try to reverse it and to keep our blood sugars down. For all you regular people, we are doing the giveaway today, and I'm going to have a food video up for you guys in the next couple of days. I've been working on two things for your holiday menus I think you're really going to like. And so hopefully by Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, but hopefully by Tuesday I'll have those videos out for you too. But for now, we're just going to do the giveaway. And if you remember, we're doing 3 of Dennis Pollock's books. You can achieve normal blood sugar. And then the third book is going to come with a $50 Amazon gift card. So, 17 of you guys participated and asked to participate this time, and I really appreciate that. And we are going to get right down to it because I've been doing volunteer work this week, and I'm running a little bit behind today, so I got to get with the program myself. I hope you guys are having a good Sunday. My Sunday's been really good. So we're going to go in here and pick the first winner of the first book. Uh-oh, I dropped. Let me start over. Okay. And Sandra Hansen, I'm sorry if I messed your name up, Sandra. Sandra Hansen is the winner of one of the books here. And we will pick the second winner. One of these days I'm going to figure out how to use a thing on the cucumber, on the computer where they pick the person for you. But for now, we'll just do the bowl and the name thing. And the second winner is Cindy K. Now, let y'all see Cindy K. And she also won a book. And then this is for the grand prize for this week. Okay. And this is Karen Dock. So Karen, you won the book and the $50 Amazon card. So all 3 of you guys, congratulations. And my email is lowcarblish@hotmail.com, and it's always linked down below in the description of my videos. So you guys have until next Sunday to email me and let me know that you're claiming your prize and where to mail it. And if I don't hear from you guys by next Sunday, then I'll pick somebody else for whoever hasn't claimed their prize. So that's it for today, guys. I hope y'all are having a wonderful weekend. I miss you and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next couple of days. Have a great week. Bye-bye.